Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and I love tea. I have found a wonderful way to store and organize my favorite teas. So the teas fit into this beautiful wooden walnut box very nicely and evenly. So far, I have 89 little tea bags in my nice little storage organizer box. I love this box because it's beautiful. It's so intricate. The design on the top, the wood smells good. It's walnut. It's made intricately. Look at the beautiful design. It's like a little puzzle, and I love it. I love putting my tea in here. It has these little feet on the bottom. And when I wake up in the morning, if I want to have tea instead of coffee, it's just a pleasure to look at. The top opens up and stays open all by itself, so I can look inside and discover my different types of teas. So as you can see, I have room for more tea bags. I'm up to 89 right now, but I can't wait to get more. This is a gorgeous addition to my coffee area. It just brings a lot of style and elegance. I love it. So I think that if I have somebody over for tea and I bring out my little tea box and I present it and I have them pick out the type of tea that they love, I think that they would just be very impressed with this beautiful little box. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.